Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. If you just want the short version before buying, this is my simple take on the Pet Care Find. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Independent smart outlets with AI climate targeting to create the ideal environment in grow spaces, aquariums. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Program outlets individually with climate triggers, schedules, timers, or leverage AI to sync various equipment to. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Control your setup from anywhere via Wi-Fi using our app, featuring real-time alert notifications, data charts. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are pet-friendly, easy care, and daily use. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. One buyer summed it up well, saying it loved this product. My simple verdict: the Pet Care Find looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.